If you don't need to go out in the storm, then don't. But if you do need to, there are a few steps you should follow before you even leave.
A major winter storm is on track to hit western Massachusetts with significant amounts of snowfall. And while many get the chance this year to stay home and watch the snowfall safely from home, a lot of people do still need to get to work. According to the AAA, winter storms are a factor in nearly 500,000 car crashes and more than 2,000 car deaths each year. Before you even leave your driveway, make sure your tires have enough tread and they have enough pressure. Also, make sure you have a snow brush, ice scraper, and snow shovel in your car for the trip home. Clean off all the snow on your car before you go anywhere. Once on the road, slow down significantly, never use cruise control, and increase the following distance behind the vehicle in front of you. Use your headlights when snow is falling, and remember, don't crowd the plow.
The most significant impacts are expected for the Thursday morning commute. Working for you in my at-home studio, I'm 22 News Storm Team Meteorologist Kelly Reardon.